Let us learn about the various memory systems that work inside the human brain. Human memory works like a well-organized system with different levels, and each level has a specific purpose. Not all memories are handled in the same way by the brain. The process begins with sensory memory. Every second, our senses collect a huge amount of information from our surroundings, what we see, hear, and feel. This information stays only for a very brief moment. If the brain feels it is unimportant, it disappears immediately. When we focus on something, it enters short-term memory. This memory allows us to hold a small amount of information for a short time. It helps us perform immediate tasks, like remembering instructions or numbers for a moment. However, this memory cannot store much information at once. Next is working memory, which is more active than short-term memory. It not only holds information but also works with it. Whenever we think, calculate, compare, or solve problems in our mind, working memory is being used. If information is repeated, practiced, or understood deeply, the brain sends it to long-term memory. Long-term memory can store information for a very long time, sometimes for an entire lifetime. Long-term memory includes two forms. Explicit memory helps us remember facts, names, and personal experiences. Implicit memory helps us perform skills and habits automatically, without conscious thinking, such as walking or riding a bicycle. Together, these memory systems help us learn new things, perform daily activities, and store important experiences. Memory is not a single container, it is a powerful and organized process that supports our thinking and learning.